Yeah, it's a big catfish.
Let me take a picture now.
Yeah. Take a video.
Alright, first catfish of the day at the catch-out pond. Looks pretty good size.
Bass.
Yeah.
It's about 5
This is Austin's second catfish,
of the day.
and yes, catch-out pond here, but it's bleeding.
So here's my last item I got was a, I don't know if you can see it, Browning Superlight Iron 6 graphite. Hey guys, we are going down to, we're just gonna start at my other spot. There's idiots down at the other spot, probably throwing rocks and stuff, so I'm just gonna give this spot a try. I caught a chub here a couple days ago, so hopefully I'll get more luck. I wonder if they left. Oh well. Alright, I'll get back to you if I get it. Shoot. Yes, I'm so happy that they're back and active. Okay, that's a good cast. There's a fish. There we go. It's a nice chub. Alright, I'm gonna get him unhooked. There we go. It's a nice little chub. Alright, throw him back. There we go. There we go, guys. First chub of the year. How about that? Second chub of the year. I'm sorry, I forgot to turn on the camera. But, oh, sorry. Oh, shoot. Alright, there we go. Okay. Hold on. There you go. Little chub. About 4 inches long. There we go. So, we're down at my favorite spot so far. This is just my regular spot. This is where I always fish usually. Ah, shoot. Man, I hope those kids don't come back. Where's that sign? Oh, fish one. There we go. Looks like a nice chub. Ooh, it's kind of pretty. Nice. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh man, I'm sorry. He's bleeding. He should be fine now. But anyways, look how fat he is. It's probably a she, and you know what that means? Spawning time. And hopefully, the bigger male chubs will come around here. They should though, but hopefully it'll be soon. Cause in Creek Fishing for Giant Chubs video a long time ago, I did was catching those kind of chubs, those bigger chubs. That's what I'm talking about. Like those are big chubs to me. So those are usually how big chubs can get. So yeah. Oh, I'm getting a bite already. Is it sinking? Oh shoot. Alright. Oh, fish! Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. There we go. That's a nice chub. I've caught bigger ones, but that's a nice chub. Ah, shoot. There we go. Nice little chub. It's got black dots on it.